Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for criminal identification PHP web publication. So first open the XAMPP control panel, then start the Apache and MySQL. Next click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Then go to the Visual Studio. First explore the crime folder. Then open the document. This is the project full documentation. Then you can see the addressing files and source code. Next go to the readme text. Here you can see the login detail and the web application URL link. So copy the URL link, then paste to the browser. Now we can see the criminal identification web page. It's our three roles. User is a police officer. So police login and register, then admin login. First go to the police register. Here you will be register your ID, enter your name, then email ID, then give your password and mobile number. Then address. Then click on the register. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use in your email ID and password. Then log in into the police homepage. Now log in successfully. Police will be manage the assigned criminal and update the criminal information. Then search to see the criminal information. First go to the add criminal. Here you will be add the criminal information on this page. So give the criminal information. Give the FIR details. Then address. Then submit. After you assign a criminal, then update the criminal information. Go to the update criminal. Here you will be see the all criminals identification. Then you search to find the criminal information. Then you will upload the criminal photo. So click on the update photo. Then choose the criminal pic and open. Then click on the submit. Now update successfully. Next go to the search all. Here you can see the all criminal informations and then you will search to see the criminal information. Next, go to the search by a photo. Here you will be choose the criminal image and you will find the criminal information. Then if you want to contact to admin, go to the admin info. Here you can see the admin contact details. Then my profile is used to update your contact detail. Next we will move for the admin login. Enter the email ID and password. Now login successfully. Now we can see the admin homepage. It's have 3 modules. Admin can be see the complaint register and view the police officer user ID. First go to the complaint register. Here you can see the all complaint register information on this page. Then go to the member details. Here you can see the all police user details on this page. And then you will search to see the specific police officer ID. Then go to the post contact detail. Here you will be change your contact details. That's the whole criminal identification PHP web application.
Code shopping.